Maximizing plumbing efficiency, the marvel of laundry line hydrojetting in Texas. Introduction. In the world of plumbing, the proper functioning of laundry lines is essential for efficient and hassle-free laundry routines. However, over time, these lines can become plagued by persistent clogs and debris buildup, leading to frustrating blockages, slow drainage, and compromised performance. To combat these challenges effectively, professional plumbers in Texas are turning to a powerful solution known as laundry line hydrojetting. This article explores the concept of laundry line hydrojetting, its multitude of benefits, and how it revolutionizes plumbing services in the Lone Star State. Understanding laundry line hydrojetting. Laundry line hydrojetting is a highly effective method that utilizes pressurized water to remove stubborn clogs and thoroughly clean the interior of laundry lines. Equipped with advanced equipment and expertise, skilled technicians direct high-pressure streams of water into the lines, dislodging accumulated debris and restoring optimal flow. The hydrojetting process. The process of laundry line hydrojetting encompasses several essential steps. Inspection. Before initiating hydrojetting, a comprehensive inspection is conducted to evaluate the condition of the laundry lines and identify any existing clogs or obstructions. Preparation. Prior to hydrojetting, meticulous preparations are made to ensure the surrounding area is protected. Protective measures are implemented to safeguard nearby surfaces and prevent water-related damage. High-pressure water jetting. Utilizing state-of-the-art hydrojetting equipment, specialized nozzles are inserted into the laundry lines. These nozzles emit powerful jets of pressurized water, dislodging and flushing out accumulated debris, lint, soap residue, and other stubborn obstructions. Thorough cleaning. As the pressurized water courses through the laundry lines, it not only removes clogs but also thoroughly cleans the interior surfaces. This process eliminates residue, mineral deposits, and bacteria that can cause unpleasant odors and impede proper drainage. Benefits of laundry line hydrojetting. Laundry line hydrojetting offers a plethora of benefits that make it an ideal solution for maintaining optimal plumbing functionality in Texas homes. Effective clog removal. Hydrojetting is exceptionally effective in eliminating stubborn clogs, including those caused by lint, fabric fibers, and detergent residue. It provides a thorough solution, restoring proper drainage and preventing future blockages. Improved efficiency. By removing debris and buildup from laundry lines, hydrojetting significantly improves their overall efficiency and performance. Clothes are washed and dried more effectively, saving time and energy in the process. Preventative maintenance. Regular hydrojetting of laundry lines helps prevent the accumulation of debris and residues, which can lead to persistent clogs and decreased performance. This proactive approach reduces the likelihood of plumbing emergencies and costly repairs in the future. Enhanced longevity. Hydrojetting helps extend the lifespan of laundry lines by minimizing wear and tear caused by persistent clogs and buildup. It allows the lines to function optimally, reducing the need for premature replacements. Environmental friendliness. Laundry line hydrojetting is an environmentally friendly solution as it relies solely on the power of water to clean and clear the lines. This eliminates the need for harsh chemicals, ensuring a safer and more sustainable approach. Conclusion. In the realm of plumbing, laundry line hydrojetting stands out as a powerful technique to maintain clean and efficient laundry systems in Texas homes. With its ability to effectively remove clogs, enhance efficiency, and prolong the lifespan of laundry lines, hydrojetting has become an invaluable tool for professional plumbers. By embracing this innovative solution, homeowners in Texas can enjoy uninterrupted laundry routines, efficient performance, and peace of mind knowing that their plumbing system is operating optimally.